Right, I'm back now, folks. Part 2. I pressed the damn wrong button again, didn't I? Instead of pause, I pressed stop. So yeah, this is part 2 of the fire in the fire pit in our garden. Like I said in part 1, I'm just passing an hour away. Gonna have a cup of coffee in the garden, and I just thought I'd get the fire going. Kettle is starting to boil and the fire's going well, and it isn't too smoky. Like I said in part 1 of the video, it's been a beautiful day here today in Mabley in Telford. That old kettle, I've had that absolutely donkey's years. I don't even know where I got it from. And that little tripod I bought off eBay last year. I don't think it was any more than a tenner. Good thing about it, it comes apart, it's sectional, and it's got a little wallet of its own, which doesn't take up too much room in your backpack. Don't know if you can see, but the old kettle is boiling now. Don't want to get too close to the fire, obviously, because of the camera, or should I say phone. Right, back in a minute, folks. I'm going to make me coffee. Right then, folks. I've made me cappuccino. Moved the kettle and the tripod from off the fire. Blimey heck, that's hot. Right, I'll just leave the fire to burn out. That's it then, folks. Back again soon with another video. Don't forget, if you enjoy my videos, please like, subscribe and press the bell notification to see future videos. Bye for now.